Dear students, welcome to our channel. In this video, we shall try to learn the poem Trains. Trains. Recite and enjoy the poem. First stanza. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Once again, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Now we shall try to understand. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Over means के ऊपर. The train comes from the mountains, over the mountains, over the plains. प्लेन मीन्स हमवार जमीन को प्लेन कहते हैं. तो ट्रेन्स पहाड़ों के ऊपर से, हमवार जमीन के ऊपर से, ओवर द रिवर्स, ओवर द ब्रिजेस ऑफ द रिवर्स, हियर कम द ट्रेन्स. द ट्रेन्स come from the different places like mountains, plains, rivers, so on. Carrying passengers, it brings passengers. Carry means ले जाना, it takes passengers. Means passenger means मुसाफिर. Carrying mail, mail means पैगाम, means खत, पार्सल जो भी होता है वो ट्रेन के जरिए ही चला जाता है. So the train, it carries the passengers, it takes the parcel, the mail, bringing their precious loads. Bring means लाना, precious कीमती, load means वजन या सामान. We can also say luggage. The train, it carries passengers, it carries mail, it brings luggage, precious, costly things. It all the things, the materials, the loads, the luggage, it comes from trains in without fail. The train brings all these things, passengers, mail, precious loads in without fail. Thousands of freight cars, thousands of freight cars means the किराए की जो सवारियां होती हैं उसको freight कहते हैं. तो thousands of freight cars, thousands, हजारों means a lot of cars all rushing on, they all come to station to to receive their relatives, their friends, through day and darkness. Darkness means अंधेरा. Day and darkness, दिन और अंधेरा मतलब दिन रात, 24 hours. All the cars are busy to come and go to the station. So these cars, they come day and through day and darkness, 24 hours. The station is busy from the cars and other vehicles through dusk and dawn. Dusk means शाम का वक्त, सूरज के गुरूब होने का वक्त जो होता है उसको डस्क कहते हैं. डॉन मतलब सूरज के निकलने का वक्त, तुलुए आफताब का वक्त, सुबह के वक्त को डस्क एंड डॉन कहते हैं. So these words are also opposites. Dusk, dawn, it's opposite. Day, darkness, this is also opposite word. So thousands of cars, they all rush to the station through day and darkness, day and night, dusk and dawn. It means 24 hours, 7 days, the railway station is busy with the cars. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. So the trains come from these different places and the station is busy with the passengers. The train, it brings passengers, it brings mail, it brings different kinds of luggage. So in this poem, the poet James Sterling Tippett has tried to tell us the different uses of trains. So let's recite this poem, enjoy the poem. Next, होमोफोन्स यानी हम आवाज अल्फाज एक जैसी आवाज के वर्ड्स को हम होमोफोन्स कहते हैं. सो इन दिस activity we shall try to learn the words which have same sound but the spelling and the meanings are different, like plane, plain, plane, plene, plane. This plane means हमवार सतह को प्लेन कहते हैं. This plane means हवाई जहाज, एरोप्लेन. नेक्स्ट वन मेल. मेल means पैगाम या खत को मेल कहते हैं. MAIL. नेक्स्ट MALE मेल यानी मुजक्कर. थ्रो, THROUGH थ्रो means के जरिए. से, this throw, THROW थ्रो means फेंकना. थ्रो द बॉल, बॉल फेंकना. डॉन, सुबह के वक्त को डॉन कहते हैं. द ट्रेन्स आर बिजी फ्रॉम डस्क एंड डॉन. DON डॉन मीन्स गुंडा. DOWN डाउन मीन्स नीचे. So there is a very little bit difference between these three words. We have to practice such words. These words help us to develop the vocabulary. There, next one. THEIR there means उनका. THERE there वहाँ. There is a car in the park. कार पार्क में एक कार खड़ी है. There means उनका. Next, in means के अंदर. I am in the class, मैं क्लास में हूँ, क्लास के अंदर हूँ. In means होटल, जो बड़ा होटल होता है जहाँ पर रहने की भी गुंजाइश होती है, ऐसे होटल को इन कहते हैं. Freight, सामान ले जाने वाली गाड़ी. Thousands of freight cars are here on the road. रोड पर, रास्ते पर हजारों फ्रीट कार्स मौजूद हैं. Fright means डरना. खौफ, the boy frightened when he saw the tiger. Rhyming pair मतलब एक जैसे हम वजन आवाज के अल्फाज को राइमिंग पेयर्स कहते हैं. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो सुनने में लगभग एक जैसे लगते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लेन्स, ट्रेन्स. मेल, फेल. ऑन, dawn. So these are the rhyming pairs or rhyming words from this questions. Here are the 5 questions. Dear students, solve these questions. Project for you, an interesting activity. Collect the pictures of vehicles and make an album. So collect the pictures of vehicles and make an album and write the names of these vehicles. Thanks for watching this video. Like the video, comment, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.